Hello everyone. When summer skips, India AC stocks catches a cold. But what if I told you one stock lost over 22% and yesterday it lost about 5 to 10% in a single almost in a single week if we combine the previous week and this one. The stock of the name is PG Electroplast, and the story behind it is a textbook retail trap. This year India witnessed an unusual monsoon and a much shorter summer. For the year For this year, air conditioner industry was quite sluggish. It was a bad news for the whole industry because their business is highly seasoned and thrives on peak summer demand. Now, if you look at names like uh, Voltas, Havels, Amber, or the peers of PG Electroplast, most have still managed to post decent growth. But PG Electroplast, I think I remember Amber have grown about 100% year on year. I mean, don't go with the numbers. I'm just, you know, saying in terms of what I have read between the lines. And if you look at the PG Electroplast, the stock has been hammered down 22% last week and more selling yesterday that we witnessed. Here's what is interesting. The company guided down its growth forecast from 35 odd percent to just 4 to 5%, and EBITDA margin also fell. I mean, on revenue front, on profit front, on EBITDA margin front, the market didn't like it. The growth was quite sluggish, and I think I we need to understand one thing. Promoters are the ones who actually know how the industry is going to function. The similar thing happened with this company as well. And even the TV presenter was asking quite a few questions on the management of PG Electroplast. Will you buy back your shares to support the price? The reply was yes, maybe in 6 to 7 months down the line. Obviously, we are looking forward to buy backing the shares. Now, my question is, if a buyback is far away 4 to 5 months down the line, and if the stock has already corrected around 35 odd percent, why don't you buy back right now if the value you are seeing is right now? Which means if you think that you are going to buy back your shares 6 to 7 months down the line, which means you still think that the share price is going to go much down. I mean, is there more pain ahead? Is the management, because already the retail investors are deeply trapped. Now, here's one of the kicker points that you need to understand. Promoters started selling since the January March quarter. I think their holding was 49%. Now it had come down to 43%. Promoters have been offloading shares at higher prices while retail investors were buying. Now, many retail holders are stuck watching this price slide. So these are the things that will keep on happening in the market. Thank you.